name is Jamil Canaan. I played third and first. My hometown, Silver Spring, Maryland, and I go to Montgomery College.
Zach Racusin, center fielder, Mervis College in Mendon, New Jersey.
Ben Kocher, third base from Belmont University, and I'm from Zionsville, Indiana.
Matt Mervis, third base. I'm going to Duke University, and then I'm from Potomac, Maryland.
Red Sox.
The Mets.
The Chicago Cubs.
Washington Nationals.
David Ortiz.
Nick Markakis.
Chris Bryant.
Bryce Harper.
Captain Crunch.
Frosted Flakes.
Either Reese's Puffs or Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Fast Five.
Bull Durham.
Probably Radio.
Who's that by?
It's a football movie.
Football.
Probably Step Brothers.
By Lil Yachty.
Lil Yachty.
You want the name of the song?
Yeah.
One Night.
Won't Get Fooled Again by The Who.
Anything Drake.
Dirt by Florida Georgia Line.
I had a walk-off home run.
Clinching a playoff spot with the T-Bolts last year.
Probably making it to semi-state in high school.
Probably playing the Tournament of Stars, USA Baseball over the summer.
Cinderella.
Jasmine.
Probably Belle from Beauty and the Beast.
Snow White.
Me.
Tom Ruddy.
Tom Ruddy.
Tom Ruddy.
I'll be working with my dad.
Doing what?
Painting.
Yard work.
Probably working.
Hopefully going to the beach with my family.
Oh, that's a tough one. Probably kangaroo.
Snow leopard.
What's a snow leopard?
It's a leopard that lives in the Arctic.
Oh, there you go.
I'm not reading anything right now.
All right. Thanks.
Unbroken.